Frankfurt. We're going to the fair. Let's look at some new stuff. Maybe there is something new coming up at the Prolight Sound 2019. Here are some highlights. Follow me. Is that a soft LED? Is that what they call soft? Theatre is different than film. And Dataton just presented a tracking system that uses the Zactrack system, which we all know. Well, some of you know, some of you don't, so have a look at Zactrack if you want to. They do some prediction of the movement, and via that it's possible to move things around in a mapping, in a complex 3D mapping, using sensors on top as cameras and a active emitter system. Let's have a look.
Active infrared markers.
So you have the markers here, as we had.
We can move it around, actually like lift it up if you want it. So as long as in the projector space.
What's weird is it works so well that you don't even, it almost looks like it's not that strange because it works so good.
And we can also adjust for any latency in the projection system. So we do live prediction.
Even finer pixel pitch. Those things are getting really stunning, but I don't know how you create content for this. How would you create content for something that has like 27K or something like that? You know, render yourself to death. I have been scholared. It's 1.2 millimeters per pixel, which means at a usual 720p, that's 1 meter wide. But they built these things in about... Oh wait, that's even worse. Who's creating the content for that? So many pixels. And some are really bad. There's just so many LED panel distributors and producers, and the next step seems to be we don't map anymore. We just build whatever we're mapping. Then you don't have to map it anymore because you can build your home from LEDs. That one's off. That one's totally off. They now can cut LED in free form. Well, almost free form, but still. This light distraction here comes from a LCD projector, which you can see because there is no color flickering and stuff. So this is a static, nice image. Nice for museums and everything. And it's this cute little thing up here. 5,000 lumens, and street price will be around 2,000. Yes, exactly, 2,000. It's NEC. I will link them below, and we'll link this product. I'm not being paid to say this is a stunning projector with a stunning image quality. Just on a side note. Oh no, pun alert. Clearly lost my way.
It's a very good aperture, you know, 1.4.
Those guys develop tracking systems, by the way. Those are the emitters. They don't need to be visible. It's just you can put them underneath somewhere. Just shouldn't cover it with your body too much. And those boxes are placed around. They send a signal through the network. And the whole system in this little box combines all that to a triangulated 3D position of this thing in space. It's really light, and it could be put on a drone, for example. I'm not watching anybody specific here, but you know who I mean. So put it on a drone and then send the signals from here via OSC to your drone system. So you orient everything to those little things. So lamps can follow it in 3D space. It doesn't matter if it's down there, up there, somewhere. Well, it doesn't really matter if the person is moving or the lamp is moving. Everything is triangulated and everything has their 3D coordinates in space. So it doesn't really matter where people are and what is following them. A moving light on a moving bar can follow any person. That is 3 lights combined to one, because they are taking the information where this spot goes and are sending it to the system. And it's a little hard to explain, but if you want to, I'll link them below and you just check them out.
Zactrack 9 und dann fährt die Lampe hierher.
Some big ass light. And the whole venue is full of haze. I've been telling those people that smoking is not allowed in here. I thought I was prepared with my power bank. Some serious mobile energy here. Also, the event business seems to be the only business where it's still okay to have this strange sex sales approach. On the other hand, besides the noise, it's a freaking techno club in here. Smoke and heavy lighting. Techno club. LED seems to be the latest thing for lighting. Some ugly ass blue colored whatever. And he finally made it to the Gerriets stand. Hologores. Remember that vlog? No, that one. But there is something far more important than what you project on. It's how you hang the stuff you project on. And that's done with hooks like these. There are different solutions. One of the most popular solutions is the so-called G-Quick. And you just pull it off like this. Now I have my beautiful assistant reattach it. Now, even easier is that solution, which is just a hook that goes around the bar. You just push it on, and then it closes, and the mechanics keep it from opening. If you want to open it, you grab it like this, and you pull. Now, they come with different fixings. So there's the fixing which you put into the holes in your curtain to open like this, and you just put in the curtain with this hook. And then there is something that holds on to your curtain just like this. People who use cheap green screens might be familiar with this kind of technology. If you want to see me stick my fingers into technology I don't know anything about, subscribe to the channel. I do this on a daily basis. I mean the tech stuff that I don't know anything about, basically.